Products and equipment all around us are made of materials. Look around you and you will see phones, computers, cars, buildings. They're all made of materials, but then they have a massive impact on the planet. The designer products can help in finding solutions to these challenges. And it is the designer products in a different way which we will explore in this course. Experts from leading European universities and research organizations will take you through the latest strategies in product design. Current design approaches lead to waste, which also means loss of value and loss of resources. You will learn about the innovative ways in which companies are creating value while securing their supply chains by integrating design for R. The design of products forms an important part of the concept of a circular economy. The circular economy approach aims to help in addressing material challenges by keeping materials in use much longer. The principle is that waste must be minimized. Products will be designed to last longer. They will be easier to reuse, repair, remanufacture. All the parts in the products will eventually be broken down and recycled. This is the Design for R, which we will explore. This course is suitable for all learners who have an interest in product design, innovative engineering, new business activity, entrepreneurship, sustainability, circular economy, and everyone who thinks the current way we do things in the world needs a radical rethink.